Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform an initial setup on your DELL Latitude 7410. First, select the right country or region from this list and click yes to continue. On the second screen, select the right keyboard layout for your PC from available options and then click yes. If you want to add another layout, click add layout and proceed, and otherwise you can click skip. After that, you're gonna have to select the network that you want to connect to. If you want to connect to it automatically, check this checkbox right here, then click connect and provide the password into the following field, and then press next. And once you are connected, click next and then wait for a little while. Let's retry. Click next and wait for a little while, and in the meantime Microsoft will be checking for updates. After that, you can name your device by entering the new name for your device right here. You don't have to do this, and you can also do this later in settings, but if you want to name your device, click next, wait until your device is restarted, and then proceed. Otherwise, just click skip for now and let Microsoft check for available updates. Okay, this time it's quite unusual. I'm sorry for giving you the wrong directions, but select for personal use unless this laptop is not your property. If it's property of your organization, click setup for work or school, but in most cases the first option is the right one. Then click next. Okay, and right now we are gonna have to wait, probably. No, it is, I think Windows is gaslighting me this time. So click sign in to sign into your Microsoft account. Then provide your email or phone number into the following field. And press enter to continue. And then you're gonna have to sign in either your own authenticator app or email address or password. I'm gonna use password by click use your password instead. Then I'm gonna provide my password into this field. Now let's wait. Okay, at this point you can customize your experience by checking the checkboxes next to the next to all the ways that you plan on how you plan to use your device. But I recommend getting to know about each of these options later, and each of these options in your free time, and doing this later in settings, because you can always do this, change it in settings, and it doesn't really change much about your Windows. So instead I'm just gonna click skip, and we're gonna go to the following step. And the following step is synchronizing your PC and your phone, which for some reason was skipped. So yeah, if you see the phone connection with your laptop, you're gonna have to choose. So you choose one of the two available options, either Android or iPhone, depending on which type of smartphone you have, and then proceed with the synchronization process. And then on the following page you should get the QR code for starting synchronizing your photos from your phone to on your laptop. and you can scan this QR code using your smartphone's camera and proceed with this step. And after that, you will see this always have access to your recent browsing data, which is basically your Microsoft Edge synchronization feature. So if you want to synchronize your Microsoft Edge data, you can click accept, otherwise click not now and proceed to the following step. Click next, and something tells me that at this point the setup will be finished, though I'm not sure. So as you can see, the setup, so we just finished the setup, and that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.